Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to fix if App Store search not working on iPhone. So first, what you want to do is go to your settings. So these are the most common reasons for the App Store search is not working properly. So just go to your settings and go to your Wi-Fi and make sure that the Wi-Fi you're connected to has internet access. Once you're done with that, you can go back and also make sure that your airplane mode is turned off. So just simply tap on the airplane mode switch right here to simply disable it. And once you're done with that, make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. So just switch for the VPN. Once you're done checking your VPN, so as you can see, I'm not connected to any VPN. You can now go back and go to General again, right here. Then tap on Software Update and make sure that you're downloaded on the latest software update, or you have installed the latest software update. Once you're done with that, you can now check your App Store if it is working properly. And as you can see, it is now all good. And that's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.